Alright, this video will show you how to install this RingCentral Messaging extension that we created for linking RingCentral texting with Zoho CRM. It's required to have a Zoho CRM Enterprise license or Zoho One. So when you get the link from us that we will send you in a private email, you'll click on it and you get to a page like this. You're going to continue to install for all users, or if you like just for admins, it's up to you. So once it's installed, you have this setup page. You navigate out of here, go into the RingCentral setup that was created. Here you will see all your users in a drop-down that is in Zoho CRM. And each user will click on the button Authorize, which will open up the RingCentral window. They will have to use their own logins. Each person has to use their own logins to authenticate RingCentral to work with Zoho CRM. So each person has their own user ID and password for RingCentral, and that's what they want to use here.